When we talk about catering in Italy, we're not just talking about food. In most cases, caterers also provide full setup, including equipment and mise en place elements. Tables, chairs, plates, glassware, and much more. Bar corners and larger parts of service logistics are all included. And when events take place in historical venues such as Castle, where there's no full equipment kitchen, the catering team builds a complete kitchen from scratch. This means that when you hire a catering service, you are hiring much more than food and beverage. Unlike in other countries, where each element is hired separately, in Italy, much of this is already integrated. Here, you hire the team, the setup, the equipment, the operation, and the experience. And that's precisely why the price per person does not reflect only what will be served on the plate, but everything that makes this moment possible.